How to download boards from monday.com. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to download or export a board from monday.com. So first you can go to your monday.com dashboard, and as you can see on the left side here, you have a workspace. So you can head over your workspace and then choose the workspace you want to download the boards. So let's say I want to choose real estate here, and then you can go to your go to your board you want to download. Let's say I want to download this board, let's board, and this is my boards. And you can go over here, go to your three dots here in the top right corner, and then you can go to more settings here, and there is an option to export board to Excel. So basically you can only download your board or export board to Excel. So yeah, there is only option, so you can just click export board to Excel, and then you can choose the option to include updates, or you can email me a copy if you want. So let's say I want to just uncheck it, and then as you can see your export will include applied filters. So yeah, and then you can click export here, and file is ready, you can download it. So yeah, that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.